Come with me while I review this AC hotel in Daniel Point in Fort Lauderdale. First, let's check out their breakfast buffet as it has quite the spread. I believe it can be included in your room or you can purchase it for a price later, but I absolutely love the spread. They had these deli meats here and cereals and fruits. It was so nice. There are lots of restaurants nearby that you can walk to that also offer breakfast if you do not want to eat breakfast at the hotel. But if you enjoy a good buffet breakfast at a hotel, this is a great one. They also have these nice pastries there that are absolutely delicious. Now let's go check out the rooms. In here, I'll just show you the rooms real quick. So here we have the room. It's been lived in, so pardon the mess. But we have a very nice bathroom here. It's all new and updated. A nice shower. I love when they don't have the bathtub showers. Just shows that they're updated. A nice toilet here. I was hoping for the Japanese toilet, but it was not. And then we have a little fridge, safe, coffee bar, standard ice bucket. And then, yeah, I love that there's like a spot to put your luggage on. There's like that little bench there. There's a nice big TV on the wall with lots of channels. You have a little desk to work in. And then, yeah, these are the two double beds. As you can see, they've been slept in. And you have a little chair with a little table here. But overall, a really nice hotel. It's modernly updated, and I love when they don't have the carpet and it's all hardwood flooring. Just makes my feet feel clean. Let's go up to the rooftop so I can show you my favorite part, the rooftop pool and the gym. So they have this absolutely stunning rooftop pool where you can lounge by the pool or go for a nice swim. And since it is Fort Lauderdale, it's pretty much open year-round. It's so nice. But also, if you are one person that likes to go to the gym, they have this lovely gym that has lots of treadmills and all sorts of different workout equipment. I was quite impressed with the amounts of machines they had. They also have exercise bikes and free weights, Pilates balls, and it was a well equipped gym, which is always nice. They even have the little stair stepper. So if you are someone that wants to stay fit on holiday, this is a great hotel because their gym is so exclusive and has so much equipment. I love how conveniently located the hotel is to everything. There's so much shopping in Pura Vida, Miami, just like within a walking distance. It's really nice to have everything so conveniently located. So if you're just for an overnight on your way to a cruise, or you don't want to rent a car, even though they have parking, it is a convenient location to lots of restaurants and shops and just a really good spot.